tears, guys. Ugh, look at this. Oh, it says baby sis. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jaleesa Graham. Make sure that you guys like and subscribe. If you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're returning, I appreciate you so much. Go over on Instagram and follow me at Jaleesa Graham, and let's get into this haul. All right, so I went to get the baby some items that she needed. Not really needed. I just always keep an excess of baby foods for her so she never runs out. So I got some of her favorites: apples, sweet potato. She really likes carrots, pears, peaches, and things like that. Nicholas loves blueberries and strawberries that I add to his lunch for school. I'm going to use these green beans for dinner tonight. I love Sylvia's canned veggies, so I got a bunch of those. My naked pina colada drink. I was going to make some fish tonight. That's why I got the tartar sauce, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do chicken instead. Got some English muffins and some bread for sandwiches. For lunch, some grapes for lunch for the boys, some milk for their dad, some pork chops that I'm going to do probably tomorrow night, and I'm going to do these chicken wings later tonight with some special sauce that I make with them. My boys really love it. I got some hot dog buns. I'm going to make some of these mashed potatoes tonight. This is our favorite Ben's rice. Coconut jasmine, y'all. I can't, I just love it. I love it. Some beans, some raviolis, just some canned food. This is a fish. I'm not going to make it tonight though, but I was going to, but I changed my mind. Got some, that's the fish that I was going to make, but I'm just going to leave that for another day and make the chicken, some mashed potatoes, and some green beans for dinner tonight. I got some detergent for the baby. This combination of this Drift and this All Baby, oh my God, it smells so good. Literally, at the baby's daycare, they asked me what do I use on her clothing because they said she smells so good all the time. Some snacks for Nicholas and Gabe for school. I want to try these crab cakes. I think I'm probably going to cook those the same day I make the fish. Got some milk, little bite snacks, a bunch of things just for school. I use this minced garlic in the chicken recipe that I'm going to make tonight, and I'll probably make this later this week. Yesterday we made this apple pie and Gabe loved it so much, so I got another one. This is the A2 milk that Nick uses because he is lactose intolerant, and that is about it. For this, I also did get some clothing from Old Navy, Ross, and Walmart, and I'll show you guys that later. Here is the dinner that we made, and that's the chicken, how it came out so good. The boys had second helpings. It was really delicious. Hey guys, welcome, not back, but I already started this vlog, but I just want to kind of finish it. So it's later on in the night. I showed you guys what I brought from the store earlier today. I went out shopping with the baby and got a couple food items, and I also bought a couple clothing items, so I'm just going to show you that now. The boys just ate. I made a it's called like sticky wings chicken, and I made like a special sauce, and the boys really loved it. Gabe actually is not, he's like my picky eater, so he ate, I set aside a couple chicken wings for him with no sauce, just like fried chicken wings, and the green beans. He doesn't like mashed potatoes, but Nicholas and everyone else ate everything, and it's really good. If you guys want the recipe to that, make sure that you comment below. But it's later on. I'm gonna talk a little low because the baby's sleeping, but I did want to show you guys what I got today. And I spent most of the day, I didn't vlog much, I spent most of the day, y'all, taking my hair out. I have an appointment tomorrow to get braids done after church. Tomorrow there's like the church picnic as well, so we're gonna go. Oh my God. We're gonna be at church for most of the day because right after service they're having like the yearly picnic, and I'm gonna bring a couple things to that, and then after that I'm gonna bring the boys home and the baby with their dad, and it's just me, the boys, and the baby, and their dad's at work. So I'm sorry, y'all. Okay. I'm very tired. And I'm gonna get up really early because church is early in the morning, and I'll have like a long day because we have like the picnic after, and then I'm gonna get my hair done. And then Monday I have a photo shoot, so I might take you guys along with me and vlog that. Comment below if you want to come with me. I have to go to New York City to a photo shoot. That's why I want to get my hair done tomorrow. I wanted to get my nails done, but I probably won't because I really don't like going on the weekends to do my nails and toes. I usually go like during the week in the morning, but it's okay, just like no polish. And I have some gel polish on my toes that I'm gonna try to get out, or just like clip my toes or something to make it. But I might have sneakers on, so my toes might not even be shown, but it's whatever, y'all. I'm so tired. Oh my god, I'm really trying to adjust to life with the baby. And you guys know, like, I foster, and just like, I don't know, the beginning of the school year, my oldest Nicholas is in middle school now, so his bus comes so early in the morning. But we've been doing it. We missed the bus the third day of school, but it's like okay, like the schools are so close to us, and the bus comes early compared to the time that school starts. So like last year, when my boys were both in the same school before Nick went to middle school, the school is like right there. It's like the school is not far at all from our house. And like it would be like a good like the bus would come like a good like 35 minutes before what is it, Nicholas? I'm trying to talk to my people. The bus, your phone. The bus would come a good like 35 minutes before school started. So even if they did miss the bus, the school's like a couple minutes away. So I would just drive them. So that's what we've been doing. What are you looking for? Get out and don't wake up my baby over there. So it has just been an adjustment of like getting up early and getting all the kids to 3 different schools in the morning. But Nick and Gabe are getting on the bus unless they miss it. And the baby, though, I still do have to take her to school. And then most of the time my godson, he'll come over like on the weekends, but of course in summer break he was coming over throughout the week too. But now he's like in school too, so he'll usually come like over on the weekends. So it's been hard adjusting to like the life of multiple little ones, and it's like only been like less than a week of school, and I'm like exhausted. Getting up, packing lunches, all that stuff. But anyway, let me give you guys a quick little haul and let's get into it. My hair is like really growing. Like, can you finish your food? Yeah. Can you come tell my viewers how good my cooking is? Can you tell them? 9. It's a 9 out of 10. Yeah. I have tears, guys. I'm so tired. Okay, let me give it this haul. So I'm slowly starting to do some clothing shopping for like fall, because the baby's growing. You should never buy a ton of clothes for a baby, and I know that, but like I'm rarely have like a little girl in the house, so I just went overboard buying her clothes, and now most of the clothes that I have brought her she has grown out of and didn't even get to wear a lot of them. I also go to like secondhand shops and shop for her, and because they're not like very expensive, I get her a bunch of stuff, and a lot of the stuff I get her even at the secondhand shop is like brand new with tags on it. Babies kind of like grow out of stuff quickly, so I'm not big on spending a lot of money on baby clothes, but she does have a lot of clothes. So I went to Ross today. I didn't get a lot of stuff. I only got like a couple things. I went to Ross in Old Navy, and then I also went to Walmart with her today. But I'm gonna do some more shopping for her. At this, I'm trying to hold off until I'm able to go to the secondhand shop. It's not that close to me, but it's not that far from my house. I just didn't feel like driving to it today. And because it's Saturday, I just want to wait till like during the week to go, when it's like less crowded. I just love to shop throughout the week when it's less crowded. But I'll show you the little bit things that I did get. This is for my godson. If you know, you know, he's obsessed with Spider-Man. Ugh, Look at this. Oh, this lit. I hung this on the cart in the store, and I guess it was like dragging on the floor in Ross. I'm gonna wash it anyway, it doesn't matter. But I found these pants, Spider-Man. If you know my godson, you know he loves Spider-Man. So this all came together. So it came with this sweatshirt and this shirt and these pants. It all came, and it was $9.99. If I could see that. I really have tears coming down my face. Okay, I'm tired. Spider-Man. All this came together as a set, $9.99. I was gonna get the baby this jacket from Walmart that was $25, and I was like, let me not get it because I'm gonna go to the secondhand shop. But then I went to Ross. I didn't get the jacket. Then I went to Ross and I found this jacket for $14, and I thought this one was cute, so I got her this. She kind of opened up, well, she didn't open, but I was giving her snacks, so a couple of snacks are open. But these are one of the things that I got. I think this is actually from Target. It's the box is somewhere, y'all. I don't know. But these are little strawberry banana teethers. A butterfly hoodie I thought was cute. This was $5.98 as well from Walmart. Another Spider-Man hoodie from my godson. This was $7.99 with the cold weather that's coming up. Got this for him. Anything Spider-Man, I usually get it. This was from Ross. These were on sale, I think, for $6 at Old Navy. I also went to Old Navy. These are usually $9.99 and they're on sale for $6. I'm trying to see what's new because there's also like clean laundry over here. So if you're a mom, you know. Got these little organic alphabet biscuit with coconut cookies for the baby. Grain bar. This is the apple cinnamon one. This is like a Gerber snack. The arrow root biscuits. Puffs. She loves the puffs. She loves like all the flavors. She likes the blueberry, vanilla, and like the apple cinnamon one the best. I got this at Walmart, and it's the Dr. Brown's. It's like a sippy cup, and it's like it's a bottle transitioning when you're like transitioning your baby to a sippy cup from a bottle. These are from Walmart. Just thought these were cute. Little hearts. Little heart sweatpants. So this goes with this Juicy Couture set. Little sweater, and then it has two pants on the back, and then it has like Juicy on the bottom of them. This was $9.99, I think it was at Ross. Yeah, this was $9.99 at Ross. It's like, yes. This shirt I think was on sale for $6, if I'm not mistaken. $6 or $5 from Old Navy. It says Baby Sis. Let me do a thumbnail. How is this, y'all? My hair look crazy, y'all. All right, let me see. One of those will work. Walmart. Cute little bag. Some PJs. So I let her pick because there was like two different ones, and she reached towards these. It says dance all day, sleep all night. And it's two pairs. This pair and it's this pair for $4.99. Okay, at Ross. Okay, so I think this was $6. I think everything I got from Old Navy was $6. Just little this shirt was on clearance, and it says roll with it, and it's just like a long sleeve white shirt, pink and purple on it. I'm trying to get her some more like solid color shirts. I got her these solid colored leggings. I don't know why I got white though. She gonna mess those up. These are another one of the snacks that I got for her. These Baby Bellies, apple and cinnamon organic puffs. I got these from Walmart. Happy Baby, sweet potato and mango and carrots. So that is all, y'all. Mini little haul. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, subscribe, go over on Instagram, follow me at Jaleesa Graham. Comment below what other kind of content and videos that you would like me to show, and I will see you all next time. Nicholas, say something to my people.
Like the video.
They can't hear you.
Like the video and subscribe.
Like the video and subscribe, guys.
Subscribe.